In this video, I am going to show you how to install apps without Apple ID. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to open your phone settings. And from here, you want to tap on screen time. Make sure that you've already set up your screen time. So this is how it looks like. Now you want to scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. From here, you want to enable these settings. After you've enabled these settings, just tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. From here, make sure the required password section is selected to don't required. Now we want to go back. Now from here, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode. So let's tap on this setting, enter your passcode. Now from here, you will see this use Face ID for settings. What you want to do is simply to disable the iTunes and App Store. So that's it. So after disabling all of those settings, you won't be required to enter a Face ID and passcode when installing or apps on your App Store. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.